Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem palindrome partitioning. Given a string S, partition as such that every substring of the partition is a palindrome, and return all possible palindrome partitioning of S, and a palindrome which can be read from from the backward and forward. So in example 1 we have this string AAV. So let's understand this problem over here. So if we have string AAV, so we need to partition. So first we can partition this string like in 3 string AAV, and if we see all of the individual string is palindrome, because the single character is a palindrome which can be read as AA same. So this is the one of the answer. Let's divide more. Then we can partition like one A in one string and V in second string. So if we see, this is also both of the string, like AA is a palindrome and V is a palindrome. So this will be also in the answer. Now another partition we can do A and AV. So here like A is a palindrome, but while AV is not palindrome, so this will not be an answer. And the another palindrome, another partition we can do like don't partition it, take full string as it is AAV, and which is not palindrome, so this will not be possible. So we tried all this possible partition and checked all the substring in that partition. If all of the partition string is palindrome, then we will add into the result set. Otherwise, if any one of them is failing, is not palindrome, we will not add. So this we have to return in this example 1. So this is here we have to return AAAV and AA and B. So this is what we have to solve. So how we will solve this problem? So first of all, for checking whether the string is palindrome or not, how we will do? We will just take a string, let's say AAV AA. We will keep two pointer, one is on the start and another is on the right, like end, and we will keep go inside, like increase this to the right and decrease this to left until the characters are matching. The character at these indexes matches if it is, and if we reach on the, if we cross, like if this, let's say if the left pointer is left L and right pointer is R, if we cross this, which means we can say that this is a palindrome, otherwise it is not palindrome. So this is the palindromic method, that is very straightforward. If you have solved some of the problem, you must have known this. So now solve this actual problem. How we will solve this problem? So let's say this is our initial string AAV. So what we will do, we can cut here, put up one partition over here or here. So we can put only these two places. If a length is n, so we will put on the partition on all I start from 1 to length till the length of our string. So till the length of our string, which is n. So we will try putting here. Once we put the partition, so this string will be divided into two parts. One part is like the A, which is let's say left string, let's call it left string, and the remaining part is AV, which is called as right string. So what we will do, we will first check whether our left string is palindrome. If this is palindrome, so which means we need to check if this part is also giving us a palindrome or not. If this part gives us palindrome, then this is the possible candidate. So we will keep this A, if it is palindrome, into the list. So we put into the list. So this A will be go into the list because it is a palindrome, and now we will keep trying for AV. We will call for further. Then we go more down, and again we partition A and V in two part. So again our A, this contain A. Now this is palindrome and this is also palindrome. We will add into our list. So this become one solution. So now this is the one solution. Now if we go from here, one will be AA and the second string will be BB. So if we see, this is also a palindrome. So we will add into our list. So A will be added into the list. Then we will call the same method to partition B. So that when we go, we will again become the partition itself. So this will become again, so we will be on the left and this will come palindrome. So we will add here, and when we will stop our recursive call, so we will write a recursive solutions when the string S. So initially this our method recursive get string S. If S is become empty, then we will add into the result set. We will also maintain a list of list which will hold our all the solutions list of string. So this we will keep here, and this string we will keep growing it. So this is straightforward. So let's implement the code. So for the coding part, I already written down the palindrome method, which is very straightforward. So for actual method we need a result of list of string. So for this let's call it a result. Now what we will do, we will call a helper method. That helper method will try to generate all the palindrome partitioning and check if it is successful generated, then it add into the result, otherwise it will call the, so we will pass this result. And also we need a current list which will maintain all the string in that current partition. So this is what we will pass here. Once we pass, and in the end we just return the result, whatever the result we generated. So now in the helper method we will write, this is a, so if you have already solved some of the combination and permutation problems, so this is very similar to those problems, nothing is special. So now this string is S and list of string. So this is a like current list, and the actual is list of list, which will hold all the list of string. So that's it. Now if the S is empty, if S is empty, which means we are able to partition this is successfully. So the current, whatever current list we got here, we will add into the result. So result dot add the current list. So now let's try to put all the partition from I is equals to 1 and I is less than S dot length I plus plus. So now we will first cut, like take the left string, the first partition, which is let us say left, which will be S dot substring from 0 to I, and this will go until the equal to the length, because in substring method this last index is exclusive. So this will become left string. Similarly, let us cut the right string. So the right string is S dot substring from I to the length of the string. So now we will check if is palindrome, if left part is palindrome, so this we will call this palindrome method on the left string first. If it is, then there is a potential chance we will get a palindromic partition. So we will add this first, we will create a copy of our current list. So this is string copy list, which is from the our current list, whatever current list, array list. So the reason we are copying this current list, because it is a object and we know the only the object reference. If we keep update in the same object reference, this will update the copy in Java JVM heap memory. So that's the reason we need to clone it. Once we clone, we will add the current string which is left, which is we found is a palindrome. So we will add into the copy list, and then we will call the same method, this helper method, for the right string. So the right, we will pass here right and pass the copied list in reference into this call, and result is as it is. So that's it. So this will be done. Once we tried all possible combination, we will get the answer. So let's try to compile this code and see what is happening. So if you see, we are getting the correct answer here. So let's try some other test cases. A only, A, B, A. So let's see if it is working for those other custom test cases or not. So there is no diff, which means we are getting the correct answer for all the custom tests. Let's now submit this code, and it is accepted. So this is the solution. Like what we did, we tried all the possible partition and then check whether it is palindrome. So now let's see what is the time complexity of this solution. So for the string of length n, there will be n minus 1 partition, like places we can put the partition first. If the length of this string is n, we have n minus 1 places. So and we can cut or not cut. So we have two options, cut in or not cut. So there is 2 की power n minus 1 combination. So one is 2 की power n minus 1 combination, and also once we got a string, let's say some string we got left, a b something. So for this left, we have to check is palindrome or not, and this is palindrome will take O of n time. So for all these substring, all the partition, we have take O of n time to check whether it is palindrome or not. So the overall time complexity of this solution is O of n into 2 to the power n minus 1, and which is nothing but in big O of n to the power 2 power n, so which is exponential. And what is will be the space complexity? So as you can see, this recursion in worst case, if we have a will go recursive call stack is like a and then again a. So this will up till the nth, the depth of our recursion will go up to the n, if this is the like kind of the worst case, if each character. So the space in the recursion call stack will be O of n, and this is separate, like whatever result set we are not including result set space in our calculation. So this is the solution. If you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and try out other combination and permutation problem from my channel. I have dedicated playlist for that. Thanks for watching.